This video content is not intended for children.
I think I got a bite on this little bottom rig right here. There we go. That feels like a good fish. Fishing a little half-ounce Carolina rig on the bottom here with a piece of night crawler. I got something on the line. Drum? Nope. That is a huge croaker. Now this is the kind you could keep. Should I make him on the grill? You guys want to see me cook this croaker on the grill? I'll do it. Alright, here's the fish. First thing I'm going to do is try to kill it responsibly. I'm not very familiar with this fish, but I'm going to treat it pretty much like any other fish. I'm going to take the guts out, I'm going to scale it, and then I'm going to throw it on some tin foil with some butter and salt and pepper and put it on the grill. Inside my plastic bag, I'm also going to scale it. I'm going to see if they'll come off with this knife. I'm scaling the fish with the head on because it's easier to hold on to. That's kind of important. You can also use a scaler for this, or a spoon. Anything with an edge on it can pretty much get under those scales and lift them up. Alright, now that I'm confident I have all of the scales taken off, I'm going to remove the head. I've gotten as many of the fish scales off as I could. Now I'm going to rinse it off in cold water. So now I got some tin foil, my fish, some onions, some salt and pepper, and some butter. We're going to salt and pepper both sides. We're going to put some butter in the center here. We're going to put some onions in the center. We're going to put some butter on top. We're going to put some butter on the bottom. More onions, more butter. If the fish isn't any good, we can still eat butter and onions. Now we just wrap it up. And I'm going to put this on the grill when I make lunch. I think we're going to do hamburgers as well. Alright, corn and potatoes have been on for a while. It's time to add the hamburgers and the fish. I don't want the fish directly over the heat, so we're going to do it over here. Let's see if these burgers are done well enough to flip. Let's roll the corn. Let's rotate the taters. Rotate the fish. Let's move the fish over the hotter part of the grill. I'm going to keep rotating so stuff can cook evenly. I think it's time to remove the fish. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oniony, buttery. I'm just going to slide the skin back. Some people like to eat that skin. I'm not a huge fan. I do like crispy skin though. There we go. Let's get a little butter. Not bad at all. Let's try another piece. It's good. It's soft. It's not too fishy. It has a lot of butter and onion flavor. Hopefully there's not too many bones in this piece. No, that's really good. Let's see if I can pull this backbone and bones out of here. See this layer of bone? Let's just try to pluck that out. Well, that should be it on bones. I'm gonna go let my girl try the fish, and we're gonna go have some hamburgers, corn, and potatoes. After putting the croaker on the grill with some butter, salt, pepper, and onions, it turned out pretty damn good. The bones were predictable. The meat pulled away from the bones fairly easily. It had a good, smoky onion taste. I'm impressed. If I caught a bunch of big croakers, I would probably eat them more often. Too bad I usually catch the 6-inch croakers. That ain't really worth it. I hope you enjoyed my first catch and cook. I got a croaker down here in the brackish water, made it on the grill, and I thought it was good. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.